Renova is an integral part of Flock Safety, but I would take it beyond that. They are actually an extension of our business. Without Renova services, we would actually not be able to scale at the trajectory that we are at today as a business.
Flock Safety is a technology company that takes a holistic approach to eliminating crime by using various evidence-finding tools like LPR cameras, drones, and gunshot detection devices. We own all of our products. We sell our service to our users, but all of the hardware is something that we continue to own. What's important for us is to maintain the life cycle of that product. We don't want to set it out there one time for one user and then throw it away. That's not sustainable, it's not profitable. Working with Renova, we're able to continuously bring products back into house, refurb them, revamp them, even give them new technology to make them better than they were before.
We make it easy by identifying new problems as they may arise, because initially when you get a product and it's new, it hasn't had any trial and error, it hasn't seen any ups or downs.
Renova has helped Flock Safety tremendously when it comes to sustainability, when it comes to recycling, when it comes to inventory accuracy. When you have a partner, they go through some of the same hurdles you go through. They're interested in improving the product. They also are offering any solutions or suggestions so that we can produce it faster to get out to our customers.
It benefits our users because we're able to constantly provide them upgraded products with no overhead cost to them and no interruption to their service.
Renova has been very agile and very responsive. They are able to pivot on demand whenever we need to make changes, and then build even a better function and work stream for us to be able to scale at the rate we're in today.
We're busy, we have a large team, but sometimes we can't get into the nitty-gritty details as much as they can. Having a dedicated team at Renova that knows our products inside and out really helps take a lot off our plates, a lot off our shoulders, and has really strengthened the partnership between Flock and Renova.